Here's how to download and install Sid Meier's Civilization 7 on PC. So the first thing that you need to do is go to store.epicgames.com website and edit out your birth date. Afterwards, click on the continue option. Now, as you can see, you'll be redirected on the Sid Meier's Civilization game. But you can go ahead and click on the search icon that you can see at the upper left and search the game itself if you can't see it. But as of now, I can already see it on my screen. So what you need to do is to click on buy now. You have to know that this game is needed to be purchased, so you have to pay. Afterwards, you need to sign into Epic Games. It's either you're playing it on PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo. But since we are going to install it on PC, you have to put in or sign in your email to your PC, and afterwards you have already downloaded it and purchased it.